So to take off the back, you just twist this, and that'll give you the low beam. Other side's gonna be a little more difficult. I have to take off the air box. There's a difference. That is night and day difference. I mean, it's a LED and a halogen housing, but it makes a huge difference. Can't wait to see these at night. Well, now it's time for the driver's side, or the passenger side. Doing the driver's side now. As you can tell, it's a little more pain in the ass. If you take off the top of the air box, peel back this little shield, then take the cap off the headlight. So now you can get to it. Just a little work. All the LEDs are in. They're not flickering, that's just the camera. So they look so much better and makes the truck look better itself. Things put back together. At first I thought you couldn't put the cap back on the headlight, but you just had to wiggle it in there around the LED, which sticks out a little farther. Trucklets, much better with these. So I did the fogs today and took off the front valance. Makes the truck look much better. Thanks for watching, guys. Here's the lights, a little darker at night. Definitely much brighter.